सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।
Namaste and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru. I'm Ria, and in today's video, we are diving deep into the match market. We've got some key updates and a forward-looking analysis to help you understand what's happening and what you can expect in the coming weeks. So, let's start with the big picture. Match prices are currently trading in a tight range across all the major trading centers. The main reason for this is a classic case of supply and demand finding a balance. Right now, the available supply is perfectly sufficient to meet the current demand, which is making both buyers and sellers a bit cautious. Let's look at the numbers. In the Gulab Bagh Mandi, prices have held steady, hovering between 20 to 50 and 2400 rupees. However, we've seen a small dip in some parts of Bihar, with prices dropping by about 10 to 20 rupees per quintal. The ethanol sector is another key player here. In the Pangra region, ethanol producers had previously raised their prices to 2,370 rupees last week, but now they've slowed down their purchasing, holding prices at that 2,370 rupee level. Meanwhile, in the south, poultry buyers are also pulling back. In Tamil Nadu, prices have decreased by 50 rupees per quintal over the last few sessions, showing that demand from that sector is currently weak. Now, let's look ahead. There's not a lot of buying activity for large rake shipments right now, and here's why: the new Kharif crop is just around the corner. We are expecting harvesting to begin in Karnataka and Telangana in about a month, and the outlook is excellent. The Kharif match crop is looking very healthy, and early projections suggest it could be 10 to 15% higher than last year's yield. This strong supply forecast is also affecting ethanol producers' willingness to pay higher prices for match. The government is ensuring that there will be a comfortable supply of broken rice available for ethanol production. This is a game changer. Sanjeev Chopra, Secretary in the Department of Food and Public Distribution, recently announced that millers in 5 states will now be required to deliver rice with a maximum of 10% broken grains for the public distribution system, a significant change from the previous 25% standard. This policy shift is expected to free up more broken rice for ethanol production in the coming year, reducing the industry's reliance on match. So, what does all this mean for the future of match prices? That's all for our match market update today. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more market insights. We'll be back soon with more updates. Thank you for watching and have a great day.